Oh, here's another nice question, and this is sort of part way through. So there was an expression up here, and you had to factor the denominator. So once the denominators are factored, then I need to find my lowest common denominator. So it must include all of this one. So it'll be x minus 2, 7x plus 9. Then I look over here. It doesn't have a 6 yet, so I need a 6. X minus 2 I already have. So this would be my lowest common denominator. So I'll change each of these fractions here. That one needs to have a 6, an x minus 2, and a 7x plus 9. Plus this one also needs to have the same thing. Let me change this color, because this one didn't originally have a 6 in it, right? So I included a 6. So if I include the one on the bottom, I have to include it on the top. This was already there. So this x squared minus 5 was already there. The stuff in red is just what I changed. So on this one, originally it's x plus 5, 6 times x minus 2. But because the lowest common denominator has that, but it also has the 7x minus plus 9, I need to include that here. And if I include it on the bottom, I have to include it also on the top. Okay, and that's going to end up to be a multiplying. So now I can take and write just one common denominator on the bottom. And then I get to just write all the stuff on the top. So 6 times x squared minus 5 plus x plus 5, 7x plus 9. Okay, so now I need to use the distributive property, put that through. So it'll be 6x squared minus 30. This is plus, so I can just multiply this stuff and drop brackets. So x times x is a positive 7x squared, and then plus 9x plus 35x plus 45. Okay, all over my lowest common denominator. Collecting stuff on the top, I think I'll have 7x squared. Oh no, there's a 6 there too. Whoops, forgot the 6. So 6 plus 7 would be 13x squared. X is here, that looks to be like 44x. And then minus 30 plus 45 is plus 15. All over 7x plus 9. Now, you could try and factor that. It looks awfully ugly. And I don't think there's any way I could factor that. And so I'm just going to leave it right like that. I shouldn't say I don't think. There isn't any way you can factor that. And because if you could factor it, then maybe cancel with something down below. But 9 won't go into 15, nor will 2. So you can't factor that. And it won't be able to cancel after anyway. So I'm done right there.